Good morning. Today I'm doing something very exciting that I've wanted to do for so many years, like at least 10 years since I knew it existed. Today we're heading to Universal to go on the Mardi Gras parade float, throw the beads. Literally, it's going to be the most fun thing I've ever done. Just on the way now to the Uber pickup point to meet Kerry and Eve. And then we're going to head to Universal and go on the parade, which is going to be so cool. I hope we get a good float. We're also doing the ride and dine package, so we're going to start at Lombard Seafood Grill, so I'll probably start the vlog when we get to that restaurant. I think I'm gonna go with the chicken or the calamari for starter, and then I was gonna go with the most expensive one anyway, but this looks like it's the steak, so I might just go with that. Right, first meal is here. We've both got the sweet and spicy chicken bites. It looks good, to be honest. I hope it's not too spicy though.
No, I don't do well with spicy food either.
It looks good though.
Oh, it looks so good.
And then here's the last one, it's chocolate cake. It's got this nice Lombard's logo on the top. You've got ice cream.
I've got ice cream.
So we're all checked in. So we're on the second float, which is the title, whatever that means.
Oh, they've got different.
Not a clue, not a clue. Right, ready? This is so goofy, walking around in these outfits.
However, you're gonna see them hanging by a little paper. When we say one, we don't mean the entire sliver. One bead, please. This is not 10 points for each person you hit. Just one bead. You're either gonna do it like a frisbee, or you're gonna grab it in the little ball and throw it underhand. Please do not the overhand. When you go by the area of the parade, you're gonna see some little signs that says no parade viewing. They are yellow. Please avoid throwing beads on that side because they can be like narrow pathways. There's usually we got our title blow!
Alright, let's go.
Now you guys do have my favorite thing to the whole event. It is the silver beads.
Oh.
These steps as well, we should be going down two at a time.
Alright, next up we have where Mardi Gras is.
So we're on the float. Unfortunately, we pulled the short straw as per, and we've got shafted to this corner.
British, you know.
I know. Right, I've got them.
We're ready?
Ready to throw. Woo! Oh my god, it's starting, it's started. This is the craziest thing. And here we go. Oh my god, there's people already waving.
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? No way.
Launch from the back, Kerry, launch from the back.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Woo! I landed in the tree.
That's so hard to die.
I feel like my ring light is off.
No way. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god. are you talking about? Hey now. Whoa. Oh my god.
They keep blowing in the wind.
This is the coolest thing ever. I hit her food. I got it in her food. Feet don't fail me now. 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 They're all tangled.
Oh, she's here to take photos if you want.
What? Yeah, absolutely.
I want this one on the head, oopsies.
Wow. Yeah.
Come out in there.
You get it in there, get it in there. Yeah. Oh, I'm dropping them everywhere. Whoosh. Yay. So feet don't fail me now. Feet don't fail me now.
Guys, we need to go. Where am I being a child?
We're back, we're back. We're halfway. I want to try and get those girls over there because I didn't get any.
I just hit one of the cords. Oops.
It's carnival time! Oh. Da 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 da. Where? Carnival time! Right, rip them off, I'm ready to go. I got him on the Starbucks sign. Who wants it? Here we go. Oh, I got it on there. Yeah. Sit down by the fire. Aiko, aiko, aye. Ready, ready? Aiko, aye. I'm gonna get them at the back. I need to put the phone down. We got the big finale. Just to get rid of the last of the bee.
Oh, sorry.
You good? The big finale. Get them all out. Who's gonna get my last beads? Here we go. Ready? Yeah! All done. What the hell? Oh, look at the aftermath. The amount of brown paper on store and bags. Oh my gosh.
Did not write it and
it's the most wonderful zoo on the face of the earth. Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam, I am. And I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. Now we bypass two unbudging Zacks, both stubbornly stuck unbudged in their tracks. Now keep your eyes peeled for Sneetches. They are known to love beaches. There's one down there, fishing. He's floating, he's wishing. He might catch a fish with a pinwheel-like tail. He might catch a fish who has fins like a sail. He might catch a fish with a checkerboard belly, or even a fish made of strawberry jelly.